Alright guys, we got Cupcake against Rain. Now, I'd just like to throw something out real quick. Ness is such a big child, he's the size of an adult apparently. Must be a big ass head he's swinging around.
Yeah, it's about half his body.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's a really fast stock. 25 seconds.
Let's see what Rain
If you
can
really
do.
watch that shield, because Link can smash through that thing really fast.
Yeah. There goes covering that stuff again. Oh, almost not really close to that yo-yo though. Ooh, nice. I did not realize that projectiles would stop that PK Thunder. Wow, he hit the arrow back with the bat. That was pretty crazy.
Start. That's 1 minute and he's already lost 2 stocks for 55%.
Yeah. He needs to bat away those things again. Wow, there he goes, comboing off, comboing off.
There he is.
Oh my god, bringing him back where we wanted him so he could up tilt him. Jesus Christ. Just think you can bring this shit back. Oh, hitting him with the bat again. PK Thunder. Oh, almost getting him. How many more rounds we have?
This is fine. Well, semi-finals and winners. Then there's
Losers finals, we're on then. And then grand finals.
well, no, these are semi-finals. These are finals and then finals.
Okay. Oh, ban that up. Who am I against? Me. I'm down.
Hey, you got this far.
Shit. Yeah, I know, but lose the person I lost
Hey
against.
man, I got 2 losses in a row. I had an awful seed. I had a lot of fun matches though. So.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys. So I get to have a redemption match against Fancy. See what I can do this time.
Man, it's in that same situation he was in against Fancy. 3
Yeah.
stocks to 1.
Yeah, and then he just kind of like gets.
He almost came back in the other one. He might be able
Yeah,
to do it again.
he goes ape shit and then just kind of like does stuff. Uh-oh.
And I just hate that update.
Yeah.
I can't even put it into words.
You talking about Link's up, B?
Yeah. I can deal with Nessus. Link's is a little harder.
Alright.
Alright,
Staff
so
for
that's
taking
gonna
that
be
first
game 1.
match.
Why are you calling me?
Alright. Let's see. They're going to switch it up? They're going to keep the same people.
Switching to Dr. Mario.
Oh, switching to Mario. Going back.
It's ready to adjust his pick. There it is.
Alright.
And they're just trying to counterpick each other, I'm telling you. They're going to have to make an agreement sometime.
Yeah, they are.
So a slight delay here.
Yeah, it's like to delay phone calls, text messages. Alright. Going with Lucas. Let's see what happens. And not much to say right now.
Strong start.
Yeah, might have been a bad pick on his part. And I think that might be the first stock. Well, maybe not. Oh,
Yeah,
maybe it is.
it's the first stock. Stacker was saying it is a lot harder to use PK Thunder on Lucas.
Yes, it is. Not as fast. Oh, but
That bat he's been doing so much work with today.
oh, that Thunder, it doesn't go away on hit, does it?
No,
It still
it's got
goes.
some decent priority.
Yeah, it still goes through after hitting the person, so that could really screw him over.
Just have to use that to his advantage.
Yeah.
Keeping a lot more of a distance to stock. I think he's realizing he's going to win.
Yeah.
He's
Oh,
going
wow.
right up
There's
there.
that. Oh, so much harder to hit.
A lot slower, but a lot more rewarding.
Yeah. Almost getting it. Hey, you missed that last smash. And,
That's the second stock.
yep,
He's going to clean this one up.
chopping him in the skull. And
Oh, man.
good
That's just
cancel.
unfortunate.
I didn't know that didn't hit on the sides too. Wow, that was nice.
Bat to the back.
Yep. They might be able to bring it back, but I'm not sure. I'm really not sure about this one. Oh, wow.
Man, that was really well played.
Wow.
Really cancels his recovery.
That boomerang. Definitely rough for Rain.
Another one of those characters that Stafford's been playing a lot this week.
Yeah. He's trying to get back with Link. He used to be really good with Link.
Yeah.
He's learning his groove again with him.
He's been focusing a lot on Link, Yoshi, and Dr. Mario.
Yeah.
I don't think any of them are too fun to play against.
Yeah, neither of them. Yoshi's spike is quite ridiculous. And wow, that didn't kill. And that didn't either. Fully charged, and that didn't kill.
That was very odd.
Rain can't believe that either. He was sitting there saying, "What?" Oh, nice.
There's that bet.
Oh god. And there it
That's
is.
going to be the series.
Stafford winning.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Also, click on the video for more content. Have a good day, everyone.